All right, we're heading into week 2 of our at-home outdoor rec training program. So hopefully week 1 went well for you. You're feeling a little better with the movements, with the flow, with your body. And if not, that's totally okay too. It's all right to slow things down going into week 2, cut some things out, omit, modify. That's why we have these programs, why I'm giving you examples of modifications as we go along. And we all start at different levels, so it's totally okay to slow some things down and give ourselves the appropriate workout. What's written in the programming is not written in stone. We always need to modify and listen to our bodies. So heading into week 2, if you want to increase intensity, be that with more weights, more speed, less rest, feel free. Make sure everything's feeling rock solid. The whole no pain, no gain thing definitely does not apply if you're thinking of training long-term longevity and taking it out into, all of our fitness out into the outdoors. So you want to be listening to your body. Increase intensity if you can. Otherwise, feel free to dial it back, cut some sets out, cut some reps out, omit movements that just don't feel right, and don't be afraid to reach out and ask for some help. So there's week 2. Feedback always appreciated. Questions, love to hear them, love to help people. So let's have a great week 2.